Today, we are talking about two new HDMI products from OREI. Thank you to OREI for sending me these for review. Now, what exactly do they do? They allow you to connect multiple devices to a single device. So, in the case of the first one, it connects one TV to two soundbars or sound systems. And the other one allows you to connect two TVs to a single soundbar or sound system. So let's get into it and exactly how these things work. Now, before I get into the specific products, I do want to mention that both of them are fully compatible with all of the latest audio formats. So Dolby Atmos, DTSX. They are also fully compatible with CEC. So when you adjust the volume on your TV, it will adjust the volume on your soundbar or sound system as long as those sound systems or soundbars are also compatible with CEC. We're going to start with the eARC 201. This allows you to connect a single eARC TV to two soundbars or sound systems. Now, the ports are labeled soundbar, but just know that you can connect these to any HDMI sound system, whether it be a processor or a receiver or whatever. Now, this is actually a very, very simple product to use. It only has three ports. The first is the TV port. This is the one that you will connect to the eARC HDMI port on your TV. And then the other two ports connect to your soundbars or sound systems. And that's it. So if you have a smart TV with onboard apps like, say, Netflix or Hulu or whatever, you can stream that content from your TV and it will play through both sound systems. So if you have a TV set up in a room and it's got, say, a sound bar, and then you have another sound system in another room and you want both to play simultaneously, the eARC 201 is exactly what you need. Now, there are four LED indicator lights on the other side of the unit, one for power to indicate that it's powered up, one LED light to indicate that the TV port is active, and then one each for the two soundbar ports. And that's basically it. It does have a USB-C port for service, but I didn't have to use that, and I don't imagine you will either. The other thing about this OREI product is it's actually a really solid build quality. It feels substantial. It's got solid metal casing, and it's got a little bit of heft to it. So it's super useful, super handy, and if you need to connect two sound systems to a single TV, this is the one for you. Now, the next one from OREI is the eARC 102. This allows you to connect two TVs to a single sound system or soundbar. Like I say, it does say soundbar in it, but it will connect to any HDMI sound system. Now, this one is a little bit different because it does have a selector switch that allows you to switch between the two TVs. However, it does have an auto sensing function. So if you're watching content on one TV and then you turn on the other TV to watch on that one, it will automatically switch to that next source. But if you want to disable the auto function, you just press and hold the selector button for 3 to 5 seconds, and then that will be disabled, and then you'll have to manually press the switch to toggle back and forth between the two sources. So if you have, say, a man cave and you've got a projector on one wall and a TV on the other wall, and regardless of which screen you're watching, you want the sound to come out of your soundbar or sound system in the room, the eARC 102 will allow you to do that. So you connect both screens up to this switch, and then you run another HDMI port out to your sound system or your soundbar, and you are good to go. Now, one thing I do want to mention on this one, the power system is a little bit different. The power port is actually a USB-C port, and the other end is a USB port, and it does not include the power brick. So you will need to use, say, your phone charger or any USB power brick that plugs into the wall outlet. You'll connect the cable into that port, and then it will power up. And that's pretty much it. These things are super handy and super easy to use. Thanks again to OREI for sending them to me for review. And as always, thanks for watching.